Good morning guys, and in front of me is POCO F8 Pro, and let me show you how to boot developer options. So first of all, enroll the settings. Then find and select About Phone, go to OS version and tap on it 7 times. Then draw your unlock pattern, and that's it. From now on, you are a developer. So to reach developer options, just go back, scroll all the way down, mark additional settings, and here developer options appeared. Mark to open and use them however you like. As you can see, you can, for example, activate feature flags, select log level, you can activate here USB debugging, you can turn on demo mode, you can turn off automatic system updates, and so on. Just go through all of the options and use whichever you need. To switch developer panel off, just unmark the stop indicator, and as you can see, they are no longer visible here. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.